Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Geeta Lakshmi, consultant endocrinologist. So many of you will not be familiar with the term endocrinologist. I'm basically a doctor who specializes in hormonal disorders and also treatment of diabetes. So we'll discuss about a common hormonal problem we see these days everywhere. So this is very commonly found among our population now. So thyroid diseases. So I'm talking about nothing other than thyroid diseases. So everywhere we hear about I've been diagnosed with thyroid problem, I'm on tablet for thyroid disease. So why suddenly all this hype has happened? Why we are all seeing this hype? That's what we are going to see now. So previously around 20-30 years back, thyroid problems were very common in our country, mainly due to one reason. That is, there was a deficiency of a mineral called iodine in our diet, which led to thyroid problems in our country. So once our country started this iodine supplementation program, the level of thyroid problems due to iodine deficiency has come down. Rather, another kind of thyroid disease which is due to some problems in our immune system. So immune system is nothing but the one which fights against bad bacteria or bad viruses which are entering our body. So there are some problems happening in the immune system. So right now, this is the commonest cause of thyroid problem in our country. So out of thyroid problems, there are many types, common being hypothyroidism, that is the thyroid levels, thyroid hormone levels are low in our body, and hyperthyroidism, the thyroid hormone levels being high in our body. So the thyroid hormone is secreted by a butterfly shaped gland which is present in our neck, in front of the neck. So what happens when this thyroid gland is taken into toss and it becomes abnormal? So the hormones coming from the thyroid gland becomes low, that is lesser amount of thyroid hormone is secreted from our body. So this is called as hypothyroidism. So this is the most common thyroid disease we are seeing everywhere. So how do you identify, when do you know that a person has thyroid problem? So these are the common symptoms we note. There's any abnormality in weight, the person commonly keeps on gaining weight, and the person feels very lethargic, very tired, the fatigued all the time of the day, and increased amount of sleep. They sleep for more hours in a day, and they are unable to concentrate properly in doing their work, and excessive muscle cramps. And if it's a female, then they're going to be hell a lot of problems with their periods, monthly periods. So all these are going to be markers for any underlying thyroid disease. So whenever we have these complaints, that is excessive weight gain, excessive tiredness, or any problems with our regular monthly periods, it's always good to undergo a thyroid function test. That is, it's a very simple blood test. You go and give the blood sample in fasting state in the morning, and you get the results within 3 to 4 hours after giving your blood test. It's a very simple blood test which can tell you that whether you have thyroid disease or not. Why this is important? Because thyroid disease not only produces the symptom, also it's that it is very easy to treat. There is a very simple medicine which can correct your thyroid hormone levels if taken properly every day in the proper manner. So whenever we have these symptoms, it's good that we see our doctor, we consult our endocrinologist and get a thyroid function test done, and if necessary we take thyroid medicines.